So this particular video, I'm super excited to bring this to you because it is something that really sets apart the service from most other extensions. We have tape-ins where it's a lot harder to root, or even machine-tied wefts. You can root the extensions, but you have that almost like little plastic piece on the top that doesn't allow for full saturation, and it won't pick up on that little piece. So with hand-tied hair, you get to custom color it from root to end to get it the perfect shape. So I'm just gonna show you what I did with this particular set of extensions. So believe it or not, it started like this, and this is one of the beautiful colors that the Ethos line carries. It's called Sand, and it comes with it already rooted, which I love. A lot of their colors are already rooted so that it picks up the darker tones quicker and it allows processing time to go faster. But I actually turned it into this. So what we did was we rooted right here and we brought in low lights, and I carried down a mid color and we toned everything. So I want to show you guys, like, you can do almost anything with the colors, but little disclaimer, Bohyme will not return the hair if you have already colored the hair. So do so at your own risk, but this is how you ensure just a completely custom blend for your client. So let me show you how we do it. So this bowl right here is our permanent color that we're using, and we use Finola, but whatever permanent line works best for you. And then we have over here a low light. So for all of our low lights, we use a toner. We use Redken shades. And what we do is we take the weft and we lay it down onto the foil. And we're gonna take our permanent color and we're gonna make sure that we're really saturating the top part of the weft. Make sure that you saturate both sides evenly, and then you're gonna take a dry brush and just gently flick it down so that you don't have any harsh lines. There is nothing worse than opening your hair and it being a straight line, and that is something that just comes with time. So the more that you practice, the more beautiful and seamless your blend will be. So now we're gonna take a rat tail comb and I'm going to weave out the parts of the hair that I want low lighted. So sometimes, depending on the client, we go a little bit chunkier. Sometimes we go a little bit finer and we go much lighter. Even on a lot of our blondes, we'll do even a level 8 or even a 9 for the low light, just to add some slight dimension so that it's not a flat one color, and it adds a little bit more pop into your blondes. So once you wash out the extensions, you're going to add a toner in. And for toners, we also use Redken shades. And what that does is it ensures that you can work it into the hair really well, and it's generally not going to take super quickly. So you're able to kind of keep an eye out on the weft, and you're able to make sure that it is a perfect match for your client. And there are times where we have to tone the extensions more than once just to get that perfect blend. So don't worry, especially when it's new hair. It may take you a few times of toning and a few coats to just get it exactly how you want it, but I promise it is well worth the extra time.